Hi everyone, welcome back. It's been 3 years, but we finally have two successful Mi Mix 3, and this is Xiaomi Mi Mix 4, and this is the brand first device to support a under-display camera smartphone and a large leap forward specification since the original Mi Mix. So the big breakthrough here is the curved 6.67-inch AMOLED display. We have find a 20 megapixel selfie camera, and there's a 4:1 pixel binding. Pixel 4 comes with black and white, gray color. The stereo speakers also turned by Harman Kardon. The rear camera setup is equally impressed with the 1:1.33-inch 1:8 ISL HMX main sensor with OIS. There's a 8 megapixel periscope and 5x optical zoom and 120 equivalent focus length, and 30 megapixel ultra wide snapper with free-form lens and reported 1% edge detection complete. Xiaomi went with latest Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset with 12 and 8 and 12 RAM and 128 GB and 512 GB storage. During the pixel hungry display and a flagship chipset, 4500 mAh battery is required and bring a light quick 120 watt wireless charging, which have top up battery with 15 minutes, as well as 50 watt wireless charging, which take 28 minutes for a full charging in boost mode. Another a key feature is the addition of ultra wideband UWB, which allow for precise positional data and smart device control. So the Xiaomi Mix 4 start with Chinese price 4999, which is around $770, and goes up to $970 for 12 GB and 512 GB RAM. So first sale in China are scheduled for August 16, while international availability later point in the time. So that's all guys, hope you like this video. If you like this, hit the like button. Let me show in the comment section how you like this smartphone, and I will see you next video. Till then, goodbye.